Hello everybody, this is Tina with Taz's Treasure and day 6 of our Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Let's see, day 4 is there. Day 6, way down here. Let me move that up just in case it's not in frame. That's a small little box. I hope it's not sequins because those would be a pain in the butt to find something to do with. Oh, no, it's, guys, it is the cutest little bee dies. Look at that. For some reason, the glue they have in here is very, very sticky this year. Okay, day 6 is a bee. I'm going to let it marinate a little bit and I'm going to come back and make a card. Okay, for this card here, I went ahead and I put our little die cut together. It's very, very cute. It's got little vellum wings and he's black and yellow body with the little purple floweries holding there. It's a bunch of dies, let me tell you. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. There is actually more because there are pieces that are together. So like the little flower has the center and the floral is one die. The wings come on one die. The eyes come on one die. So anyway, I used, yellow, black, white for the eyes. I did put a piece of black behind the eyes so we could just glue in our little whites there. And then as I was looking through my stash, I pulled out a piece of yellow cardstock. Oh, that's not even counting our little hidden die here. I don't know that I'm going to use this at all. It's kind of a cute little hexagon. If you wanted, you could cut this over and over again and make a big pattern. But anyhow, as I was saying, I was going through my stash, so I pulled out this gold piece of cardstock, gold yellow, actually yellow, I guess you'd call it. And I found a piece of black and white floral from a Simply Stories stamp set. It's kind of got some bee sentiments and stuff in here. It's be sweet, be kind. I thought about using this. And it's got some bees and just some different things. But I finally settled on the black and white floral. Very pretty on the other side, lemons and blue flowers. But we're going to go with the black and white so that our bee doesn't get lost. And then I took a piece, I took an old card kit from Hero Arts. It's got more bee stuff. And I took out the sentiment, sweet as honey, and I heat embossed that with some gold Brutus Monroe gilded embossing flour. And I fussy cut it out very, very poorly, I might add. This is a really lousy job of fussy cutting. I should have just cut it in a little square, but anyhow, it's done now, and I am not going to pull all this apart again to get to that sentiment way over there. It didn't agree with me, and I kept catching it when I was trying to put it back in the cellophane. I kept catching the die cuts on the back, and I just decided that I was going to just deal with this fussy cut, which is jagged right there. But yeah, I was just going to have to live with this fussy cut sentiment. And if I ever do send this to somebody, you know what I'm going to do? Then I will get it out again. I will fussy cut a new sentiment, or just actually probably cut it in a square and just tape it right over this sentiment. But for now, so we can get this done, we are just going to go ahead and build this card. So I hope you're enjoying my series. I'm having a little bit more trouble this year, I think, coming up with card ideas as opposed to last year's Advent Calendar, which I do have a playlist for that if you want to take a look. I almost wish they had like a Christmas dies and stamps, but I guess they're feeling is you can use these all year round. You know, Spellbinders wants you to be able to use them. And if you go to the 24th, you're not going to be sending out Christmas cards on the 24th. You could see you maybe making some last minute tags. But I'm just going to take these, you know, whatever comes in this kit, the good and the bad and the ugly, and try to put together whatever I can get. I'm going to try to turn some of them into Christmas cards. I did one already, I think. And if it's not a Christmas card at all, like this bee, we'll just make a pretty different card. So if you do like my series, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. Helps me a lot. I am trying to make certain goals by the end of the year, which I probably won't reach, but I can always try. Let's just glue this down right here. This is some real pretty black and white paper. So we're going to just mat it on this little gold frame. And then let's glue our little bee down. And we're just going to kind of glue him right in the center of things. And get him right about like that. Love the bee. Love the bee. Can't really even see his wings too much there. I probably should have used a little darker color, but it's done now. And he does have wings. I'm just trying to raise them up a little bit. Figure if we give them a little bit of dimension, they'll be seen a little bit better. Yeah, go up that way. And up a little bit this way. And that might not perfect, but like I said, card making, it's just paper, so don't stress. Hopefully someday I'll learn to fussy cut a little bit better. I think I need some better scissors for it. Maybe I should buy some of the ones with the spring. Let me know if those help you at all. Because I would be willing to invest in them if they really do make a difference. And so we get sweet as honey. And let's go ahead and put a few gems all around here so it's not quite so naked. We have a naked card right now. Do I have yellow? Should. Yes, there we go. Put a couple up here. These things like popping out at me. Put you there. And then, and okie doke. I think that's going to be it for our day 6 card. I believe that's day 6, isn't it? Day 6, yep. So, I hope you enjoyed this, and that is it for today's card, everyone. And bye-bye for now.